My dad name is Anchan Phakon, and he was born on June 15, 1963, and he is 63 years old. He was born in Sumner, northeastern part of Laos, near the border with Vietnam. My mom's name is Sompon. They have been married over 20 years. My dad had 4 children and 3 grandchildren, and right now my dad lives in Fresno. My dad was born in 1961, 3 years after the Vietnam War began in 1958. He and his parents moved from Sumner to Vientiane in 1965 to escape the Vietnam War. A 3 year later, he started school, and one day he decided to cross Nam Kong River with his friend, planning to reach to Thailand. However, one of his friends didn't want to go, so my dad decided to turn back and take his friend safely back to Laos. He was 16, 17 years old when General Rangpal left Laos, and he was at Vientiane during that time. He escaped from Laos in 1978 with his friend, and he spent about 2 years in Nong Khai refugee camp. While he living in the camp, he working on garden to support himself. In 1980, he arrived in San Francisco before taking another flight to Santa Ana, and his first job in the U.S. was working at mechanic factory. In my conclusion, my thought in this interview with my dad was fresh, and in my opinion of my dad journey was awesome, and he was brave of what he did, and outside of his past life till now, he had been a great father figure to me. He also set an example for me to continue my dream, and he helping me for who I am today, and I'm proud that he is my dad. And I love how he told me about his past life or what happened, because I wish I could have been there to see how strong he was that day.